Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how millions of workers in India receive medical care and financial protection during illness, maternity, disability, or workplace injury? Today, let us understand the Employees State Insurance Act of 1948, one of the earliest and most comprehensive social security legislations in India. By the end of this presentation, you will have a clear understanding of its objectives, coverage, administration, funding, medical care delivery system, benefits, and recent digital initiatives. The Employees State Insurance Act was enacted in 1948 to provide social security and healthcare benefits to workers and their families. It is administered by the Employees State Insurance Corporation. The scheme provides medical care, cash benefits during sickness and maternity, disability compensation, rehabilitation services, and financial support to dependents in the event of employment related death. The scheme applies to factories and notified establishments employing the prescribed number of workers. It covers eligible employees earning wages within the notified wage limit. Over the years, its scope has expanded to include shops, hotels, restaurants, educational institutions, private medical establishments, cinemas, road transport undertakings, newspaper establishments, and several other notified organizations, thereby extending social security to a larger workforce. The Employees State Insurance Scheme is financed through contributions from employers and employees. Employers contribute 3.25% of the employees' wages, while employees contribute 0.75% of their wages. Employees earning up to the prescribed daily average wage are exempted from paying their own contribution, but they continue to receive all the benefits under the scheme. In addition, state governments share 1/8 of the expenditure on medical care, subject to the prescribed ceiling, while the remaining expenditure is borne by the Employees State Insurance Corporation. This shared funding model ensures sustainable financing and uninterrupted healthcare services. The Employees State Insurance Corporation functions through a well structured administrative framework. It includes representatives from the central government, state governments, employers, employees, the medical profession, and members of parliament. This diverse representation ensures effective policy making, financial management, and implementation of the scheme throughout the country. The administration of the scheme is supported by the Director General, regional offices, sub-regional offices, branch offices, and local offices. These offices are responsible for registration of beneficiaries, collection of contributions, delivery of benefits, supervision of healthcare services, and grievance redressal. Together, they ensure smooth functioning of the scheme at every level. The Employees State Insurance Scheme provides a comprehensive package of social security benefits. These include medical benefit, sickness benefit, maternity benefit, temporary disability benefit, permanent disability benefit, dependents benefit, funeral expenses, vocational rehabilitation, physical rehabilitation, and unemployment allowance. These benefits protect insured persons and their families against financial hardship during different stages of life. Medical benefit is one of the most important features of the scheme. It includes outpatient consultation, specialist care, medicines, diagnostic investigations, hospitalization, emergency services, ambulance facilities, maternal and child health care, immunization, family welfare services, health education, and home based care wherever applicable. In complicated cases, patients may also be referred to higher centers, with the cost of treatment borne by the Employees State Insurance Corporation. The Employees State Insurance Scheme has developed a comprehensive medical care delivery system to provide quality health care to insured persons and their families. Medical care is delivered through both direct and indirect patterns. Under the direct pattern, healthcare services are provided and managed by the Employees State Insurance Corporation through its hospitals, dispensaries, medical colleges, dental colleges, nursing colleges, and occupational disease centers. Under the indirect pattern, state governments provide medical care through their hospitals and dispensaries on behalf of the corporation. Under it, the care is provided through the panel system, where private doctors, insurance medical practitioners are registered to treat insured individuals. The scheme also provides income protection during periods when an employee is unable to work. During certified sickness, insured persons receive sickness benefit in the form of cash compensation. Pregnant women receive maternity benefit for the prescribed duration. Workers who suffer employment related injuries receive temporary or permanent disability benefits depending on the extent of disability. In the unfortunate event of death due to employment injury, eligible dependents receive monthly financial support. Beyond healthcare and financial assistance, the scheme promotes rehabilitation and social welfare. Vocational rehabilitation helps disabled workers return to suitable employment. Physical rehabilitation services support recovery after serious injuries. Funeral expenses are provided to the family of the deceased insured person. These provisions improve the quality of life and facilitate social reintegration. The Rajiv Gandhi Shramik Kalyan Yojana and the Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana provide unemployment assistance under specified conditions. These schemes offer financial support to insured persons who lose employment involuntarily while helping them maintain financial security until they regain employment. To improve efficiency and accessibility, the Employees State Insurance Corporation implemented Panchdeep, an integrated information technology project. Panchdeep digitalizes all major functions of the scheme, including employer and employee registration, contribution management, Pehchan smart cards, electronic health records, online benefit claims, hospital management, and financial accounting. These digital initiatives have improved transparency, reduced paperwork, ensured faster service delivery, and enabled seamless access to healthcare benefits for insured persons and their families. A major component of the Panchdeep project is the Pehchan smart card system. This biometric enabled identity card allows insured persons and their family members to access healthcare services seamlessly across employees' state insurance hospitals and dispensaries. It improves beneficiary identification, reduces duplication, and enhances the efficiency of service delivery. Employers covered under the scheme are exempt from liability under the Employees Compensation Act for employment-related injuries and from the Maternity Benefit Act for employees covered under ESI, since these benefits are provided through the scheme itself. This eliminates duplication of statutory obligations. Employers are also relieved from the responsibility of arranging separate medical care or paying medical allowances for employees and their dependents, reducing both financial and administrative burden. In addition, all employer contributions made to the Employee State Insurance Scheme are eligible for deduction as business expenditure under the Income Tax Act, providing valuable tax benefits. Most importantly, by ensuring timely healthcare and social security, the scheme promotes a healthier, more stable, and productive workforce, leading to improved employee satisfaction, reduced absenteeism, and better organizational performance. To summarize, the Employees State Insurance Act is one of India's most important social security legislations. It provides comprehensive healthcare, income protection, disability compensation, rehabilitation, maternity support, and financial assistance to workers and their families. The scheme is sustained through employer contributions of 3.25%, employee contributions of 0.75%, and shared support from state governments for medical care. Supported by a comprehensive medical care delivery system, the Panchdeep digital platform, and continuous expansion of healthcare infrastructure, the Employees State Insurance Scheme continues to play a vital role in improving the health, welfare, and economic security of India's workforce. Thank you for watching. I hope this presentation has helped you understand the Employees State Insurance Act, its objectives, administration, benefits, funding, and healthcare delivery system more clearly.